Next up is factory navigation. So you've got the option of searching, menu, you've got your basic location, the direction you're facing. You can zoom in and out this way, set it to auto mode, and then you can also change your headings this way as well. Searching for addresses, you can look at history, home or work, point of interest icons, and things like that. One of the big benefits of having home or work address set up is that you can push the voice command prompt on the steering wheel and say navigate home, navigate to work, and it'll navigate to those saved addresses. You can also add in a series of favorite addresses as well. Point of interest icons are there. You can search for GPS coordinates, so latitude first, longitude second if you wanted to, or with us set up here, you could search for a point of interest icon this way instead. Let's go something, search for Tim Hortons, nice and Canadian of me. There we go. So series of options. Let's just select one. You can save it as a favorite if you want to, or you can just hit start.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving.
There we go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
So you can push there in order to show how much time you have left versus the estimated time of arrival. You could mute out notifications as well if you wanted to, and then you can also cancel the route out that way. So it's very straightforward to do. And then search for addresses. You've got the address now saved in history, so you can delete it, or you can press again in order to be able to start.
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
Why, thank you. You can press the menu button there as well to cancel the route. You've got screen view, traffic list, navigation settings, some map preferences. So if you wanted breadcrumbs, which are useful because it leaves a little dot on the area of the map that you've gone to. Useful if you're off-roading. You've got route preferences. So do you want the fastest, the shortest, or the most eco-friendly route? Do you want to use the HOV lanes? See, do you want to avoid other things? So highways, toll roads, ferries, and things like that. The navigation preferences, whether you've got the guidance prompts that are going to show up for either a voice, tone, or just strictly a voice, or both. So you've got some different options that are available there. You can view routes as well in order to get to the destination. So you've got your route that's available there. You can look at a detour, search, where am I, point of interest icons on top of that, as well as your favorites. So let's say if you were to search for, maybe we want gas as well. Search for just a random one there. And then you can either start to go to a new destination, or you can add it in as a stop onto your destination there as well. So if you've got multiple places to go, you've got the option of adding in multiple places. You can optimize the order on top of that. So which one's going to be the best route to go in order to get to where you need to be. And then you can hit start.
Please proceed to the highlighted route,
There
and
we
then
go.
the route guidance will start.
And then you can just hit cancel, either next stop or the entire route as well, because we've got multiple stops set up. So I know that's quite a bit, but that's how you use factory navigation in this thing.